Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to customize a link in your WordPress menu. Let's get into the video. So once you log into your WordPress dashboard, you simply scroll down and you click on what appearance, after which you click on menu. Once you're there, you scroll down and you are going to see custom link. Click on it. So guys, let's say we want to customize a page called review in our WordPress dashboard. So I already created this post category. So I'll simply go to my WordPress dashboard, come to post, click on what category. So guys, you can customize any link you want. So after which I'll simply scroll down and let's say we want to customize this review page, so that's going to appear on our WordPress menu. So I'll come back here, I'll simply click on review. I'll simply copy this URL, after which come back to my WordPress menu, insert it here, and I'll simply name the link, let's say review. After that, I'll click on add to menu, after which I'll click on what to save. So guys, note you can change this customized link anytime you want, just by you clicking on it and inserting the new link you want to place there. So I'll go back to my WordPress website, refresh it. So guys, this is the customized link we just added in our WordPress menu, as you can see. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comments section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.